Their account name is Priceless28, and they're from the US. Earned $20,179.98. Gallagher here. If you want to grow your channel quick and easy, subscribe and smash that notification bell, because I share with you all the tips, tricks, and strategies that I use to grow this dead channel from 0 to thousands of subscribers and became a YouTube partner in just a matter of months. What's going on? So that's right, in this video I'm going to share with you a site where you can make money simply by clicking on links, taking screenshots, liking videos, commenting on videos, and various other ways. And you can do this no matter where you live in the world. So this is a worldwide opportunity to make money doing simple menial tasks. And the platform it's on, I get asked about all the time, people wondering if it's legit. It is in fact legit, and I actually used to do it, and I have made money with it myself. And as you'll see, you can actually make a significant amount of money over time. Now, my only challenge with the method I'm about to show you, and methods like it, is that you are trading your time for money. And so when you stop working, you stop earning. And so if making money the way I'm about to show you, where you can get paid a little bit of money per click over time, it can add up. If you want to do something that you can get paid on autopilot, then I have a link in the description for that for you as well. And I encourage you to check it out, because if you come over here, you can see the results other YouTubers have gotten following the series I put together where I teach you what I just mentioned. All right, so let's get into the method I'm actually going to talk to you about today, though, and that is how you can earn money just by simply doing menial tasks over various platforms. And so to start right off, let's show you how much you can actually generate. And so this is sort of the results page of the website. I'm going to show you the platform, and you can see this worker, their account name is Priceless28, and they're from the US, earned $20,179.98. Here's another individual, $14,499, $12,000, $5,000, $3,000, $4,000, $15,000. So this goes on and on, various amounts. And you can also see Romania, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, Romania, so Bulgaria. So again, this opportunity to generate income is worldwide. And so the platform I'm talking about is microworkers.com. As you can see, I am a member. I haven't done this in a while. I played with this some time ago to see if it was legit. I did make some money, but again, you are trading your time, these menial little tasks over and over again to earn this money. But some of them pay as much as $9. Most of them are less than $1, but that means the tasks are that much simpler and you can bust them out very quickly. You can find some that are around $1 or a little bit more than $1 and do them over and over sometimes. And so again, it is a viable way to make money. You can make money. It can take time to generate a lot of money, but if that doesn't bother you and you just have a lot of time to kill, it certainly is legit. And you can filter these jobs in various ways. There are some related to Google, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, all these different platforms. And basically, like if you go to YouTube, you filter that out, it's going to show you that you can get paid to comment, to like, to watch, share videos. Similarly with Facebook, you're going to do the same thing with posts and so on. And the more involved the task is, the more money you can make. So again, here's one for $9. And so for those that are interested in earning money this way, this is a good way to do it. This is a legit platform. So if you want to check it out, again, it's microworkers.com. So I hope that answered the questions I've been getting about this platform. If you want to learn more about it, come on over, check it up. It's free to join. Well, I'm going to wrap this video up, and I will see you in the next.